Chances are you're watching this right now because you want to know how I added 3 streams of income to my business in just 15 minutes. Hi guys, I'm Jill Bender, and in 2023, I went from being in $25K in credit card debt to earning multiple 6 figures throughout the year with my online affiliate marketing business. Now, affiliate marketing is when you take someone else's product or service, you promote it, and they pay you a commission every time you get someone to buy it. I've been in the online space now for over a year and a half, and so I started to look for other ways to help scale my business. That's when I learned about ordinary people building their own digital products and therefore adding multiple income streams. So like a good student, I took a digital marketing course that taught me A through Z. It taught me those skills that I was missing. Inside Simply Passive, you're going to find modules around social media strategies, content creation, how to use Canva to create your own digital products, branding, email marketing, and even how to automate your business. And for the shy people out there, they even have a section on faceless marketing. And the best part is that you get lifetime access to all of this, plus a Facebook community. And to make things even better for you, and there's nowhere else you're going to get this exclusive bonus, you'll get 30-day access into my mastermind group, where I have bonus training and bi-weekly Zoom calls to help you kickstart your first 30 days of your digital marketing journey. Now, the cool part about this course is that it's not only going to help you create your own digital products, but it also comes with master resale rights. So what that means, when you purchase the course, you can actually go and resell it for 100% profit. So for beginners starting with digital marketing, you actually get this done for you course. However, the point of this course is not to just resell it. It taught me the skills that I was missing. And after applying these skills, I created 3 new income streams. So if you're looking to learn how to do digital products or maybe sharpen your digital marketing skills and to get my exclusive 30-day bonus, click the link down below.